There's one, and then there's two, and then go back again to number three, and it's a on and off switch. And this one, it says here that mixer model, it's BFM 10B, and this is dated 2021 of March. And then the serial number, the power, the voltage, the frequency, and the pace. So but guys, if you want this mixer, I would like to say this is not a sponsor mixer, but I would like to say thank you so much again, the LP sales and equipment for restaurant here in Calgary. Thank you so much, guys.
So you guys can come and visit LP Sales Restaurant Equipment Supplies. If you need for any restaurant or home supplies, you can come and visit their store. And it's located here at number 7, 2316-27 Avenue, Northeast Calgary.
So there you go, guys. So I have here the Omcan, and it's a 10-quart mixer. And again, it's really good for home use or something. It's really good. And then I just noticed when I try to turn it on, if this one will not bring it up, it won't turn on. So I keep on pushing here, but doesn't turn on. Okay, so all you have to do is, it's really good safety actually. But again, I crank it into number 1, and it will on. So again, one thing, it's the sound of the motor is really good. It's not that loud as you hear, and then it's so quiet. There you go. So that's the number 1. And again, if you want to go number 2, you have to turn it off and then crank it down to number 2, and then turn it on again. So quiet. Look at that. That's number 2, and then we're gonna turn it off again, and we're gonna go crank up, bring up, and then 1 up. Then we're gonna try again to turn it on. We'll see. Whoa, wow. So it's shaking my table here, so we need a little bit good table here, or else it will fall down. It's too heavy. So but again, yeah, so far so good to me, this mixer. And I hope, guys, if you want a really good size, for me it's really good size for home and business. And this is the lock. So they have a lock on your bowl. You have lock left and right, and then it's for safety actually. And then I just noticed this one, that there is a there's like I think it's a switch. I don't know if it will turn on. Yeah, so if this one is not closed, it doesn't turn on. Okay, for the safety. So that's a good features on this one here, because you know, sometimes we forget to close the window or the door, and then maybe your hands accidentally, and then so a really good what do you call this one here, safety. Okay, so that one, it will click and then close, and then you can turn it on. So there you go. Nice. Yeah, and then if you want, you can add an attachment here for your attachment. And this the Omcan, you can buy it any separate attachment for this one here. Yeah, so far so good. And it's a 10-quart mixer. And I hope you enjoy my my review on this Omcan. And if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe. Again, it's NoyTebs here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a nice day.